Hello dear students of 6th grade. Today I will discuss about the 10th chapter. This chapter is about the Mauryan administration. In this chapter we go through the Mauryan administrations. The Mauryan administration was based on the Arthashastra, in which Chanakya outlined the guidelines for running the empire. The king was the center authority of the administrations of the Mauryan state. According to the Chanakya, the king was to keep the welfare of his people in mind, to treat them like his children. Ashoka declared all men are my children. So Maurya administration में जो है अशोका जो there was the famous empire of that time. The king ruled with the help of the council of ministers called the Mantri Parishad. All the policies and regulations of the state were formulated keeping in mind the welfare of the people. The main council consisted of the Mantri, Purohit, Yuvraj and Senapati. The king was the judicial head of handle the judiciary matters. There were special justice tribunals headed by Mahamantris and Rajukas. The government was divided into different departments. जो government थी that was divided into different departments such as treasury, forest, revenue and taxes. फॉर स्मूथ फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द स्टेट, ठीक है, ताकि जो है स्टेट के फंक्शंस है वो डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए गए थे फॉर द स्मूथ फंक्शनिंग. ईच डिपार्टमेंट वॉज लेड बाय द ऑफिशियल अध्यक्ष अपॉइंटेड बाय द किंग. द नेक्स्ट इज द पाटलिपुत्र. पाटलिपुत्र वॉज द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ द एम्पायर. अकॉर्डिंग टू द मैगथनीज, पाटलिपुत्र वॉज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटेड बाय 6 कमेटी. मैगथनीज जो है वो ग्रीक जो है वो राजपूत था, ठीक है ना. पाटलिपुत्र वॉज द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ एम्पायर विद 5 मेंबर इन ईच कमेटी टुक केयर ऑफ स्पेसिफिक डिपार्टमेंट लाइक सैनिटेशन, वेलफेयर ऑफ फॉरनर्स, इंडस्ट्रीज एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ बर्थ एंड डेथ. द स्टेट कंट्रोल ऑल द इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. न्यू लैंड्स वर ब्रॉड अंडर कल्टिवेशन एंड टैक्सेस वर कलेक्टेड. The Mauryan maintained a large and well-equipped army. It had 6 wings: the infantry, the cavalry, the navy, elephants, chariots and transportation. So in this way we come to know जो Mauryan साम्राज्य था उसमें जो army है that was very strong on that time. The Mauryan administrations also had a well-developed system of which kept the king informed of the happening within and outside the kingdom. Next is Mauryan art and architecture. The Mauryan period was brilliant achievement in art and architecture, visible in numerous stupas, viharas, pillar and sculpture. The ruin of Patliputra near modern Patna is an extremely important find of the Mauryan period. Patliputra was surrounded by high walls made of wood with holes in it to pass the arrows. The Royal Assembly building was also made up of wood with 84 pillars. So Mauryan period में जो art था वो that was also on the peak of its time. इस टाइम में जो है कौन कौन सा आर्ट जो फेमस था that was stupa, vihara, pillars and sculpture were the big example of the good artist. Mauryan economy, agriculture. The economy of the Mauryan Empire was predominantly agrarian. The farmer grew crops twice a year. Various crops such as rice, millet, pulses, wheat and sugar cane were cultivated. उस टाइम में जो है वो agriculture that was also very good on that time. Economy जो है उसको grow करने में इसका also important role था. Taxation. An elaborate tax system was prevalent as the taxes held by the government. Land revenue was also one of the main source of income for the government. There were 2 types of taxes: tax on cultivated land and other on the assessment product. High taxes were paid by the farmer in the high fertile region, while the farmer from the low fertile region paid lower taxes. तो टैक्स जो है वो डिफरेंट लेवल पे जो है वो कलेक्ट किया जाता था. दोज वर अर्निंग मोर देन द लोअर पीपल. डिफरेंट था दोनों के लिए. कॉइनेज. Chandragupta Maurya established a common coinage system throughout the kingdom. The silver कृष्पना एंड कॉपर पंचमार्क कॉइन वर डिस्कवर्ड इन द मगधा। उसके बाद आ जाता है ट्रेड। उस टाइम में ट्रेड कैसा था? द ट्रेड एक्टिविटीज़ वर कैरिड थ्रू लैंड एंड सी रूट। सीधा रोड पे भी किया, रोड के थ्रू भी किया जाता था और सी रूट भी बना हुआ था व्यापार करने के लिए। दे हैड ट्रेड रिलेशन विद श्रीलंका, इजिप्ट एंड ग्रीस। द कैपिटल सिटी पाटलिपुत्र वॉज कनेक्टेड टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ कंट्री। सो दिस चैप्टर इज about the Mauryan administration. We have read this chapter up to the page number 83. I hope you understand this chapter. Thank you.